Introducing the 2022 Ford Kuga Titanium, the ultimate MPV packed with top-of-the-line features. With a sleek grey exterior, powerful 2-litre diesel engine, and advanced automatic transmission, this vehicle offers unmatched comfort and performance. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone to collision avoidance braking, this car has it all. Plus, enjoy luxury touches like ambient lighting and privacy glass. Rest assured, knowing this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Contact us at Dooley Motors Carlo today.